With rolling back the clock coming soon, driving safely shouldn't be as difficult as building a time machine or fixing a flux capacitor. Though only an hour of time, the hour of lost light during the morning and evening commutes statistically is the highest time for the risk of road collision. Reducing the risk of road collisions doesn't even start on the road. It starts with making sure that your vehicle has good visibility. Check and clean your headlights and taillights to ensure they are in good working order. Check and replace, if needed, your vehicle's wiper blades. And ensure that your washer fluid is topped up. It is important not to drive tired. When you're tired, you will have slower reflexes and decision-making abilities. Stay focused. Dim your interior lights to have better visibility. Due to the reduction of visibility, it is important for you to reduce your speed and not drive past your headlights. This will allow you time to recognize and respond to anything that you may come across. Cyclists and pedestrians can do their part to reduce the risk of road collisions as well. Pedestrians are reminded to wear bright colors or a reflective vest when walking on the road in dark conditions, and cyclists are reminded to obey all traffic laws and also have their bike equipped with a red and white light or reflector, and also wear a high visibility vest.
Remember, everybody's future depends on people driving safely.